The village route. Let me just be proud of the village and show the route that it's not seen somewhere anywhere else. I've been pricked by our tall tree. And I am in the process of moving in the village. The village chronicles. My son was showing me the way. I forgot to record it. He knows the route. The village chronicles. The life that is the village. This is the gate I was told. How to reach at the gate. Dangerous, but I have overcome it. Inside the plantation, and the roots begin. I can imagine when the rainfall, this place become much and water. The school going children will find happiness in this field. The village chronicle. Inside the maize plantation, a unique road or paradise. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful, my village. This is the next hurdle. Because I can jump, I have to jump. This is the village. Beautiful place. But we have no option but to be here. Tiring. Stressful. But we must bear with it. This is beautiful farm. Made this the village chronicle. Must be a lot of water. The sugar cane.